Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. So if you want to get in on this, go ahead and join the Facebook group Quality Crafts and we will give you the address and the information you need to get started to join us here. So basically I take an envelope. Today is from Carol Watson. So thanks, Carol, for participating in this. She is week number 158. So if you enjoy this series, you can go back and watch the other 157, or jump back even further in the archive and check out the ones that I did in 5 minutes. So this is good for inspiration. If you're just not really sure what to do, grab your scrap pile. Just grab what you have laying around, set a timer, and off you go. We're going to check this out and see what Carol sent in, because it feels really big, and I don't know if this is all for, I don't know if everything in here is for this, or if she, whoa, wow, look at this stuff. Holy cow. This is amazing. I might have to alter the size of my card base, because this is the card base I chose, and these images are amazing. She even gave me a card base. Check this out. Okay. Wow. Look at all this stuff. Okay. I'm going to have to move this over. There's a whole bunch of different things in here to use. This is amazing stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show every piece of it. Let me see. Look at all this extra goodie. Amazing. There's even some more flat back pearls here. This is going to be a gorgeous card. At least I'm hoping so. And then we've got another great big card here. So obviously I won't be using all of this, but I will use, thanks Carol for the card setup. I'm going to go ahead and use your card base. And so let's get started. I've got 10 minutes. Wow, this is, this is a lot. This is so cool. I love this one. That would look so pretty right there. It's gorgeous. And there's extra little pieces I can put on the side. How much of this do I have? Could I possibly cover that? I think I could. Let's do 4s and 4s. Okay. Maybe we want to put a little bit, maybe do a little bit of that blue behind there. I don't know if I want to throw that blue on there. How about some of this? A little bit of that green. That is so pretty. What does that say? Madly in Love. That's cool. We might want to use that one. We've got a chair and some other little things. Ooh, how am I going to pick from all this? All right. Let's put a little bit of green on there. It's about 1 inch by 1 inch by 3 inches. So I'll make it slightly smaller than that. Go 3 inches, just under 3. Okay. Not quite the same width, obviously, but we'll have to cut it down. I'm going to go ahead and cut the larger one down to the smaller one because I don't have any more to replace that. We are going to put this one on. Oh, that was a lot of glue. Way too much glue. Probably have too much glue under here too, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. We'll end up with the whole card stuck together. Okay. Next thing, I'm going to put these over the top of that. Seems counterintuitive, but we'll be able to see a little bit of that very faint color through there. Use some glue dots for this one. Put that over the top. One more. That over this side. Cool. Okay, and then this one's gonna go on here. Do we have any more green, like something that would go behind this maybe? You know what, that would look cool. Let's do that one. Okay. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and put that one on. Careful of the glue this time. All right, let's pop this up. Oh, am I out of that? Oh, it's such a teeny tiny piece left. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna need another one. Well, I lost a little time, but I had to find that. So I got another one out. Let's get this card done. That'll teach me not to run out of stuff, right? All right. should have bumped it up twice. Let's see how this looks. How's this looking? Pretty cool. I think we need to put something like, not quite sure what I want to put on there. These are pretty. Let's put a couple of these on the front. Actually, could they go here? Oh yeah, that's pretty. Let's do that. Use those up. Cool, I got about a minute left. What else do I want to add? Madly in Love right there. Oh, you know what? I don't know what I did with my... I don't know what I did with my pokey tool, so we're going to try not to hurt ourselves with this one. I'm going to put this brad in here. There we go. You won't see that because it's under the card. Look at that. Do I want to put the roses on? I don't know. I feel like we're in a pretty good spot here. And we're out of time. Well, I'm still super happy with this card. Everything makes it a little bit more three-dimensional. We've got the little flowers on there. I tried to keep everything matching, and then I put that little extra bead, or brad, Madly in Love. This is so pretty. I could make like 10 more cards using this stuff. But I will put my information on the back and send that out to you, Carol. So thank you very much for participating in that. I'm going to move this out of the way. I have tons of stuff left over here. Now, I could pop this back in and do another one, but I've got lots and lots of stuff coming in. So I do want to do another card because there's so much fun stuff in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all back in her envelope and put it back in there. I'm going to send this one out right away, but I'm going to save that to do another card because there's just so much stuff in there. And it's so cool. When I'm done with it, then those of you guys who are unfamiliar with my channel, I take all of the stuff that is left over and I put it in my Crop in the New Year box. So in the new year, we crop from 8 till midnight Central Standard Time. So save the date for that. We'd love to see you guys. We would like that to grow every year. It's super fun. You get to know a lot of the people that are in our group. And our group is commitment and drama free. So catch us on Facebook. You don't have to do anything while you're in the group. You're not going to get kicked out for not participating, nothing like that. It's just a great place for inspiration and for joining in some fun free swaps and things that are going on. If you love the community here and you're one of the people that has been in here a while, or maybe you're just a newbie and you're just like so excited about what we have going on, go ahead and support us through Patreon, patreon.com/Koala Crafts. And we will put you in the private group where we've got a bunch of other things going on and you get free digital stamps. Now, we also have crops going on. Our Zoom crop, okay, so my videos are every Wednesday and Friday night at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then every other Saturday is a sale Saturday. If you want to get more information on it, just let us know. Either private message me or catch me on Facebook. And We do Zooms every Tuesday, Thursday, and every other Saturday that there's not a sale, starting at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, sometimes we go from 1 to 4, sometimes we go from 1 in the afternoon until 10 o'clock at night. So if you are an evening person, look for the post that I put up saying how long we're going to go, and join us on the nights that we're going later in the evening, and we'll see you there. They're really fun. I kid you not. It's going to be totally a blast. We would love to have you as part of our community. If you ever have any questions, go to qualitycrafts.com or private message me. I cannot wait to see you guys next video.